It's important to keep the water levels high when it's scarce in the summertime and the soil dries. A failure to do this may result in some serious costs incurred, and no one will accept the liability. Is this not nature's earth? You can find the water, you can start to live. If you control the earth, you can profit. I tell you, if you can see the sun, you can start to grow and build a bigger fire, 'cause here we are. Do you know where you are? Do you know where you're going? There will be change in time. Ice falls, then rivers rise. You're standing in a field. There's nothing around you. Well, that's just one possibility. If we don't stop in time, we are not fortified. If you can find the water, you can start to live.